Hey everyone, welcome back to Skills Academy. In this video, I am going to show you how to exchange money in Western Union. Exchanging money in Western Union is a convenient process, allowing you to send funds in different currencies across the globe. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you understand how to perform a currency exchange with Western Union. First, navigate to the specific Western Union page that facilitates currency conversion or money exchange. It's helpful to have a direct link to this page, which can often be found in the description section of our video. On the currency exchange page, you'll find an option to select the currency you wish to send. While some currencies like euros might not always be available, Western Union supports a wide range of currencies for exchange. In this case, you might choose an alternative like the Philippine peso if your preferred currency isn't available. Input the amount you wish to send to the Send Amount field, specifying the currency like USD for example. If you decide to send 100 USD, you'll enter this amount in the designated field. Upon entering the amount, the page will display the equivalent amount the recipient will receive if selected currency, like pesos, along with the current exchange rate and any applicable fees. Remarkably, sometimes there might be no fees involved, which enhances the value of transaction. If you are satisfied with the exchange rate and the recipient's amount, you can proceed by clicking on the Send Money button. This action will redirect you to a login page where you can access your Western Union account and complete the transfer process by providing the recipient's details and confirming the transaction. It's important to double-check the exchange rates and fees each time you make a transfer, as these can fluctuate based on the market conditions and Western Union's policies. Also, remember that the exchange rates offered by money transfer services might not always match the mid-market rates due to service margins. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.